Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the heart of Split3r, the four modes that form the backbone of the entire software. Once you understand this logic, everything will become simple. Let's get started. To use Split3r effectively, you need to understand its logic. Everything revolves around four modes, which follow one another in a specific order. The workflow always proceeds in the same order. First, prepare. Next, pre-split. Then, split. And finally, explode. Prepare involves importing and preparing the model. Analysis, repair, simplify, rotation, scaling, selection and extraction, auto-shell, and cut by plane. Everything happens in a workspace called the work zone. Pre-split involves positioning the cutting planes. You configure your printer on the right-hand panel, adjust the settings using the X, Y, and Z planes, the numeric keypad shortcuts, or directly with the mouse. Split is the core operation. It takes your active file and your plane configuration, calculates the cuts, and saves the result to a new folder. Explode is the inspection phase. You check, filter, and organize the resulting parts. Here's the important part. If, in explode mode, you spot an issue, for example, a misplaced plane or tiny unnecessary fragments, you simply go back to pre-split, readjust, and run split again. It's non-destructive and repeatable as many times as needed. And that's the backbone of Split3r. Keep this order in mind. Prepare, pre-split, split, explode, and everything makes sense. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the blue thumbs up and subscribe. See you soon for the next tutorial.